Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's BarkBox for October. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in there. You want to see what's going to be in your box? Do you want to see what's going to be in your box? Are you excited? You don't seem excited. You don't seem excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. Liquor treat. How? She shook. So that's what it says. It says lick or treat. How cute. Their themes are so cute. And now for Halloween theme, look at how cute is that. Lick or treat. Tonight's the night for all dogs to say lick or treat. But you don't have to go doggy door to door. We brought the best Halloween goodies straight to you. But if you want to put on a costume, we're not going to say no. How cute. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to all be in here. So the first item, how cute. It's like a little bat and it looks like it's standing, like holding some kind of candy. So there's a squeaker in the head. Crinkle. Hey, I'm trying to show them what's on there. I'm trying to show them your toy. You just want to take it? Can I finish showing it? Thank you. So this says Bat Outta Howl. How cute. And this is extra small to small. This is for 0 to 20-pound dogs. So there's that. How cute. I really think this is super, super cute. I like the little bat. I'm sure she's gonna just take this and fling it. You know how she does. And then sit down on your butt. Thank you. And then what is this, like the little gummy worms? The two that have their different colors. So it's a little pool in the middle. There's a squeak and there's a squeak. And there's no crinkle. It's just the two squeaks. And this one says Ghoulie Worm. Extra small to small. Again, 0 to 20. And this one has 2 squeakers and a bungee. And this other one says, she's just sitting here playing with it. Hold on, baby. And I still take tags off. This one has a spiky ball and crazy crinkle. Yeah. So there's the 2 toys for this month. And then now the treats, they look so cute. So lick or treat, we have haunted ham, pork recipe dog treats. And these look like they're little tiny round little ones. This one says Count Quackula duck recipe dog treats. And those are little square pieces that are in there. And then this one is Jack-O-Lamb, lamb recipe dog treats. And these are little round, little circular little ones. So there's that. So there's 3 treats, super cute for the theme. And then if you want to see what all of the toys would have been, how cute! There's a Payday, candy corn, ring pop. Look at how cute all of these are for this theme. Super, super cute. So she got this one and then up here. How cute. It says, it's a BarkBox Day costume contest. We're on the spooky search for the best dog costumes in the land. Think your pup's ghastly costume outghouls the rest? Share it with us. How cute. That would be Vienna, the hot dog. She has a skunk costume and she has a hula girl costume. But yeah, these are super cute. All right, so if you want to see her play with them, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so which toy do you think she's gonna grab first? The bat or the worm? Let's see. All right, you guys, so that is her playing with the toys. If you want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, I'll let you know right now. So I'll have everything linked down below if you want to check it out. The BarkBox monthly subscription is $29 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $25. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $22 per box. Every BarkBox has 2 innovative toys, 2 all-natural bags of treats, and 1 chew. Now, she was not eating the chew, so they swapped hers out for another bag of treats, which I greatly appreciate. And that's another thing, their customer service is almost like one of the best out there. If you ever have any issues or any questions, you just reach out to them and they make it right 100%. They'll work with you. They do everything. I love BarkBox's customer service. I will never complain. I think it's one of the best out there, hands down. So then if you have a super chewer, a dog that just loves to just destroy things, you can go to the super chewer box is what we started with, but it was too super chewy for her little self. So I switched it to the regular BarkBox, and she has no problems with the regular toys. She doesn't even tear them up, but some of their toys are intended to be torn up. And then there's another toy inside. It's like a twofer, which I love. So the super chewer box, it's 2 tough toys, always fluff free, super durable. There's 2 full-size bags of treats, always made in the US or Canada, and 2 meaty chews, always all natural. Now, if you do that one, it's $39 per month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $34. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $29. Now, with the super chewer, if any of their toys is destroyed, you send them a picture and they replace it 100%. For the BarkBox, if you're not happy with anything in there, they'll work with you to make it right. But on the super chewer, if they destroy them, they replace them because they're made to be that durable. So again, if you want to check them out, link will be down below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the box this month? What did you think of the theme with all of the toys? Super, super cute. So that is everything that we have for you guys today. Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.